Okay, so this is the slime part. And first we're going to show this slime. By the way, this is Alyssa. She's one of my best friends. And I only have like 2, so. But here's this fluffy slime. It's not that sticky at all. It's just a little sticky. But you show this one off also. Let me just get it out. I really like this one. My Band-Aid's going to stick to it. Okay. Oh God. Don't let that happen. By the way, on my swing video, you do get hurt a couple times. Yeah. So, that's that slime. It's confetti. This one also is confetti. That one's also confetti. Do you want me to show that one off, or do you want to show it off? Pull it off. Okay. Oh no! It did stick to my Band-Aid. Oh no. Okay. There we go. Okay. Oh gosh. Just stick back on. Whatever. Whatever. Here. Keys it that up. Alright. Let me just pull this one off. This one is very sticky. We can like add more to this one, right? We can like add more to this one. Oh no. Ava. Okay, they didn't get on the floor though. I didn't know. Okay. This one's sticky. Yeah, we see some stuff off. Yeah, see? This one's sticky. Okay. I got like 13 minutes to film this. Okay. So, here's that. We'll probably add more to this. Yeah. Oh my God, Ava. Sticky hands. No, get it off of me. Let me just like get all this off. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm sorry. Those are our samples. Yeah. These are. Okay. There we go. Put it in. Put it in. Okay. Oh God. Oh my gosh. Get off of my fingers. We need to film this. There we go, finally. Alright, whatever. This works. Yeah, but we'll make samples first, then we're gonna make big slimes. Yeah. Can we start with, oh yeah, glue. Let's look at a bunch. Okay. Let's look at a bunch on here. Alright, hold on. So, we're gonna start with alright. We're gonna start with glue. There's not a whole bunch. That's why we're making samples. That's good. And then you do mine. If we have any left, we can just make these ones big. Yeah. Okay. That's good, that's good, that's good. We're gonna make this, yeah. Okay, come out. Okay, now we're gonna add the paint. Well, coloring. Are you sure we should? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna make mine. Oh, you want me to make yours yellow? Yeah. Alright. Well, I'm actually gonna make mine too. I'll do yellow and pink. And we'll see what that makes. Okay, let's we both share that because I'm gonna do like yellow and blue. Alright. One drop. Like one drop. Oh my gosh. That's what mine did. Oh my gosh. Okay. We'll show you them in a minute. Oh, that's a lot. Oh, okay. Here's what it looks like. We'll mix it. I want to see what color this makes. It's making like an orangish peach kind of color. Wait, hold on. Don't look. Oh, okay. Okay. I'm actually happy I mixed this one. I wasn't sure. Actually, I kind of like that color. I like that color. Alright. This is the color I have. That color's actually pretty cool. Alright. Now. Contact solution. Wait, no, shave it. Yeah. Yeah, shave it. Just a little. Yeah, I'm gonna get it on you. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna wait so we can mix ours together. I need more.
I may make it lighter.
Yeah, I think that might make it a little bit more blue. Okay.
But look at mine, Ava.
It's so fluffy. It's so fluffy. Okay, look how fluffy, guys. Oh my gosh, it's so fluffy. Okay.
Okay. Time to add contact solution whenever Ava gets done. Your turn. Okay. Let's mix together. 3, 2, 1.
I got some on me. Oh.
I think I added like a little too much.
Yeah, I think I did. Maybe. It's sticking to my spoon, so I don't know if that's a good thing.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I think I'm gonna shoot.
Did you put a little bit too much?
No. Look at it. It's just a ball.
Mine too. It's just sticking. I'm trying to get it to take up all the excess. There we go. That's good. That's better. That's better. Okay. Let me just mix it. Start mixing it with my hands. That's really fluffy. I think I added a little bit too much.
Yeah, here's mine break.
Mine's too fluffy. Mine's too fluffy.
Oh, okay.
I actually kind of like mine. We can make stress balls out of these too. Out of the samples. Girl. Why didn't you just mix it in the bowl again?
I forgot.
Okay. I love mine. We have to make a video with Erica. Yeah, that'd be cool.
She loves slime anyways.
Yeah.
But her mom won't let her make it.
I think I might add a little bit more pink. That's really orange-ish. That's good. I just wanted a little bit more.
Ava, look. After I added more shaving cream, it worked. Okay, these are our samples.
Tell my mom I want to go back into cheerleading and everything. Okay. Mine's not stretchy. Does that mean you need to add more solution?
No, I mean more shaving cream.
Oh.
It will get off after you don't need it and stuff. It's gonna work after you need it because it looked at mine. It got off.
Okay. You know, I'm not gonna be
Look
a
at
baby.
it. Feel how fluffy it is.
No, I think I broke mine.
No, you just have to get it working. Want me to help?
And I got it. Okay, here we go. It's starting to come together. There we go. It's starting to be really
Wait!
It's getting really fluffy, man.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, were you eating the cat's food? Or is she eating her food?
Yeah, food.
I have to change my
You're in trouble.
Band-Aid. Oh, wow.
This is mine. It's like a tealish.
Okay. This is mine. It's like a pinkish, orangish color. It's orange. Okay.
Now we have to make different samples.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This was nice. I liked this.
Are we gonna add more? Make more?
I'll make more. We only got 3 minutes. No, 4. Oh gosh, before it ends it. We might have to make a part 2 to this. I might have to delete the cheerleading video. We can make that another day. We can make that another day. I thought we were making big slimes now.
Oh. Tell me when to stop.
That's good for the samples and everything.
Let me just add a little bit more because I got tiny.
Okay, I made, this is really stretchy. I love it. I did not know I could make slime.
Look at how tiny that is.
Here, do you want to just...
No. Okay, we have the same amount. So
This sample's really good.
I'm gonna
like
add
this.
these two together now. Wait, no, this and this.
Didn't you just do that?
No, I use that and that.
Oh.
Yeah,
I wanted
I
to add that and this.
Didn't you just do that?
No, I added this in the yellow.
Oh, okay. No, I'm actually gonna do this.
I love this.
Wait, no. No, okay, I'm just gonna do these.
You can
two.
make a purple one with these.
Maybe I'm just gonna try this.
Okay.
Which colors are you using?
That's what I was gonna use.
Well, choose one.
Okay, I'm gonna probably do this on this.
Okay, put your slime down when you make this.
I love this so much. Okay. Where's the sample container?
Just leave it there.
This is really good. Okay, you know what? I'm just...
Okay, time to add the paint.
Okay, add the paint. More yellow. Because I really like yellow when it comes to slime. Mustard. Okay.
I'm actually gonna add all of the colors.
That's gonna make it like brown or something.
Not these colors.
Yeah, you're probably right. No, I almost used the wrong one.
Okay, I'm waiting for you to like mix. Oh my god, we still got teal on it.
I got paint all over my fingers.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I wonder what color mine's gonna make. It's making this pretty green.
Okay, I think do not look.
I told you it's gonna be brown. I did. I got this green. We have like 1 minute. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna end the video. We might have to make a part 2. So if this video starts, we'll make a part 2.
Like it ends, you mean?
Yeah. Stops. I meant to say stops. That's pretty purple. I was honestly gonna make. Okay.
I did like every single color. Okay, I'm done.
We have like 19.
Yeah, we better hurry. But
Like a large out. Okay.
we need more glue after this.
Yeah. Okay. We will see you in part 2, hopefully.